Toastmaster Mohammed Al-Isa.
Mr. Contest Chairman, fellow Toastmasters, ladies and gentlemen, I came here today to share with you some of my expertise in life. For those of you who don't know me, I am a certified CL, a combatant liar. From my experience, lying is very bad if you don't have the skills. And today, I will teach you some skills. But before I proceed, I'd like to evaluate the skills that you already have. Those of you who don't lie, I want them please to stand up and stay up until I tell them to sit down. Please, if you don't lie, stand up and stay up, please. Stay up. Those of you who didn't stand up, please, if you ever feel reluctant to lie, those are the people to consult. Those of you who didn't stand up, thank you for making me feel moved. And I apologize for you, I really underestimated your skills. Maybe I didn't need to teach you skills. What I need to teach you are the ethics of lying. Lying is very useful. Lying can save you from dying. Can you tell your wife you like another woman? And still eat her cooking? You must be kidding. Please don't get me wrong, I'm not urging you to lie. I'm begging you to do it. Do it with ethics. The best ethic of lying is lie frankly. When somebody knocks the door asking for you and you don't want to see him, you ask your son, go and open the door and tell him that I'm not here. Then your son will say, but father, you are here. You want me to lie? You just say, no son. By the way, by the time you open the door, I will be there. Frank lying is, for example, when your wife has that very long, beautiful hair that you really love, but she goes and cuts her hair. And she comes to you and says, honey, how do you like my cat? She knows you don't like short cat, but she still expects you to say something else. You just say, oh, I like this cat. I just wish it was here. Another ethic of lying is lie politely. Instead of telling somebody, you are the most stupid man on earth, you should say, you are much smarter than many other people who haven't existed yet. Never lie to people who are weaker than you. Only lie to people who are stronger. Shall you lie to your kids? No. Never. Shall you lie to your bosses? Yes. Forever. Shall you lie to your wives? Oh, yes. To them. Who is stronger? Who's the boss? Another ethic of lying is lie reasonably. I mean, when you lie, don't exaggerate. Because when you exaggerate, we liars are going to lose our credibility. For liars, credibility matters. Believe me. Do you still believe me? But because liars trust each other. Another method of lying is lying consistently. I mean, after you lie, continue to lie. Never be shy. The most important thing is your second lie should be consistent with the first. One day I was teaching my son about how bad lying is. Of course, before I was 34. While I was teaching him, we heard his mother shouting, "Who spilled the coffee?" My son was ready to jump and tell his mother that it was I who spilled the coffee. I said, "Please don't." He said, "Daddy, are you asking me to lie?" I said, "No, son. All I'm asking you to do is to delay the truth." 2 minutes later, the truth was discovered. And I had to make another. You see, you are learning. You see, son, I deliberately lied to teach you a lesson. That the truth will be discovered sooner or later. As I said this, my daughter came running down the stairs to her mother, saying, "Sorry, mommy, you're spilling the coffee." To which I said, "You see, son, even if you confess to things that you didn't do, to protect your own daughter, the truth will still be discovered." Then my daughter said, "Daddy, this has nothing to do with the cup you spilled here. It's another cup of stuff." Another important thing of lying, never ever lie to me. Because I'm your teacher. The last thing is lying with ethics is very unethical. Back to you.